time for a garden tour. It is July 14th, and we had a beautiful day. It's a beautiful evening, and here's what's growing in the garden. Potatoes, hanging in there, looking a little bit greener, but still keep on flopping over. Who knows? I don't know. I am so excited about these roses. They've done so well, and I have been doing like being very good at deadheading and just like that. It's as easy as that. And fertilizing, all organic. Gotta be organic. But I'm very happy with them. There's a little bit of black spot, but not a ton. Not on the upper leaves. The other one's doing pretty well too. Not quite as bountiful as that, but still pretty good. Zinnias. I really like zinnias. This packet of seeds I bought comes in all different kinds of colors, so it's really interesting. And the more I pick, the more they kind of grow. So I've got to be better at picking them and encouraging growth. Let's deadhead those roses. And then got a few dahlias coming up. This one is going to bloom soon. It's got some blooms at the top. That one still's got a while to go. That one's pretty puny. And then this one over here, pretty sad. I don't think it gets enough light. Look at those onions. They're getting juicy and bulbous. I'm happy with them. Yeah, let's go look at the onions. A lot of them, mostly the red onions, are going to seed. Yeah, so I've got to figure out if I can cook something with them. Who knows? Tomatoes are doing nice. This one's almost as tall as I am, and you can see that there are some tomatoes happening. So I'm very excited about that, and they go all the way down from there to there, a few different types. Peppers are coming back from the dead. And I think moving some of the potatoes have helped a bit, but they need some love. They need some light and probably some more fertilizer. This is the lychee tomato. It's got the weird thing happening. It's very spiny. Don't know how to feel about that. These marigolds are really bountiful and beautiful. I've been pleased with that. Cucumbers happening. The peas are kind of coming to the end of their life. I feel like just harvesting whatever I can and then cutting them down to the ground. This chard is huge. I still haven't figured out how to eat chard, so I gotta find a recipe. Look at all these marigolds. The marigolds over here are just starting to open up, and they're pretty big. But they're just getting going. And over there, poor kale, kind of wilty. I think there's some aphids going on. I don't know. Beans have climbed to the top. Oh, and I've got this little sign now. I got at Pride. So that was fun. Berry patch, doing great. Look at all these blueberries. I keep on forgetting I need to bring a blueberry plastic holder thingy and harvest them, because they're looking perfect, and I know that the birds are gonna get them if I don't. And then this lingonberry, I don't think it's put out any berries, and the huckleberries definitely haven't, and the sea berries, the buckthorn, haven't. More marigolds over here. They're fine. They're tall. Still have some lettuces to harvest, and this kale is huge. I've got to figure out what to do with the kale. These beans are so puny and annoying. Maybe it's just the space. I don't know. Anyway, that's the garden. Oh, I've got the grapes. You should check on the grapes. This thing is a little out of control. I don't know how to prune grapes. Look at those grapes. Could be good. These daisies finally bloomed. And then a ton of raspberries, which I feel like I've got to pick before they get all shriveled. Because I think that's what's going to happen. That's what's happening. So, yeah. There we go. See you later. Get a final shot of these roses. Look at all those roses.